close to your heartache. If you want, open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back.
Namaste and welcome to a new video. Today I want to share few glimpses of my day when I am feeling lazy but still need to get things done. I have few random tasks on my to-do list, but I am choosing the ones that are most necessary. Even when I'm feeling restless and absolutely unmotivated, prioritizing these few tasks will help me to keep the house running smoothly. The most important tasks are the weekly and the monthly ones for me, like deep dusting of living room and kitchen walls, cleaning behind the furniture. I got this cleaning set from Amazon few months back and it has truly become one of my favorite things, and you will see just why. It comes with a long extendable rod and multiple attachments. This fur-like microfiber one is perfect for walls and picture frames. And the best part is, you don't have to stand close to the cleaning area, which means it protects your hair and skin from dust. Well, the microfiber collects almost all the dust without scattering it in the air, so there is no after cleanup. The second attachment is this microfiber duster, which I use for indoor-outdoor glass cleaning. Since I can't reach outdoor glass cleaning surface with my hands, thus it makes things really easy for me. Today I'll skip outdoor cleaning. This third attachment is plastic cleaner head, which I use for bathroom wall cleaning, and as it's plastic it can be washed after use. I'll show you how I use it on a bathroom cleaning day. The fourth attachment is my favorite and actually the main reason why I bought this set in first place. It helps me cleaning behind the furniture, which is actually a very daunting task for me. Just see for yourself how effective this is. And can you imagine how much dust it collects under the cabinets or behind your furniture? Now my work gets done in just minutes.
A long lost piece of heart I sought and found you, like a fire in the deepest parts. I will hold on to you no matter what comes. I will hold on to you no matter what comes. No night can last forever, no storm will tear us apart. I will hold on to you no matter what comes.
Let's frame these artwork using burlap as background. I saw this on Instagram and I have left the page link in the description box.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get
Adding a personal touch to your home decor can be a very fulfilling feeling.
hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Give a lot and live a little. Work with what you got.
It's been raining pretty much all day, and today's weather is such that I'm craving for some nice hot Maggi. It just reminds me of the time in Dehradun during the rainy season at the Maggi corner. But since I can't eat Maggi now, so today I have decided to cheat with my cheat meal. Let's make Maggi, but with millet Maggi dosa. I use cast iron tawa in place of non-stick tawa. It is convex from the center and I have a trick to make it non-stick. Heat the tawa, smear few drops of oil, sprinkle water and just wipe. Repeat this 2 to 3 times after making each dosa and it works like magic. Now this recipe of mine sounds yummy but complex, but actually it's not. It's a recipe linked in the description for the millet dosa batter, but I will just make a plain dosa, add some pizza sauce on it. Therefore, I will sprinkle some cheese and a little bit of Maggi masala magic. Am I recommending this recipe? Absolutely not. But if you are craving for something that is going to involve not so good stuff, then you can definitely try this. I hope you enjoyed this simple day in my life. Please comment below with your favorite part of video and also share your favorite lazy day hacks or any comfort food that you have for such days. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, take care, stay blessed. I'll leave you with a good music.